Hello everyone, welcome back to MC Vaishnavs. Today in this video I am going to make easy friendship band with wool only in few steps. So before getting started, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe MC Vaishnavs. So first you need wool and you have to keep all the threads in this order. Then put threads one on another as I am doing. And go on repeating this. Then tie a knot at both the ends. Our friendship band is ready to get tied on someone's hand. So in this way you can make a friendship band easy at home. So if you like this video, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.